Unlocking the Power of Be Exceptional, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our latest English learning video. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating and empowering phrase, be exceptional. Understanding this phrase not only enriches your vocabulary but also inspires personal growth. So, let's dive in and discover what it truly means to be exceptional. Be exceptional is a motivational phrase that encourages someone to stand out from the crowd by being extraordinary or outstanding. The word exceptional means being unusually good or significantly better than average. This phrase isn't just about skill or talent. It's about adopting a mindset of excellence and uniqueness. Being exceptional is more than just a call to be better. It's an encouragement to embrace your unique qualities and strengths. It's about pushing your boundaries, striving for personal excellence, and being the best version of yourself. This mindset can lead to significant personal growth, higher self-esteem, and the motivation to pursue your passions and goals. You might hear, be exceptional, in various contexts, such as a teacher motivating a student, a coach encouraging an athlete, or even as a personal mantra. Here are some examples. You have the potential to be great, so always aim to be exceptional. In this competition, good isn't enough. You need to be exceptional. While learning this phrase, avoid confusing exceptional with acceptable or average. Remember, exceptional means far above the norm, not just satisfactory. Also, don't mistake it for arrogance or conceit. It's about striving for personal excellence, not comparing oneself to others. Thank you for joining us in exploring the phrase, be exceptional. We hope this video inspires you to embrace your unique qualities and strive for personal excellence in all aspects of life. Remember, being exceptional is not just about what you do but how you do it. Keep learning, keep growing, and always aim to be exceptional.